Well, I come out here to service our 22 kW Generac standby generator. Bought this little kit from Amazon. Filter, oil filter, air filter, oil filter, and 2 spark plugs. And lo and behold, I find a problem here, and I could not find anything on the internet to help me. Basically, it will not start. The weird thing is, it says it's ready to run, but it's not. Try it one more time. This little stepper motor has to open the choke or close the choke. So that's no bueno. So I'll have to figure that out. But I'll go ahead and change the oil and the spark plugs because they need to be changed anyway. And I also found that this piece of insulation here had fallen from the lid. Need to fix that. So let's get after it. Take a look at the air cleaner real quick. It's got 2 tabs in the back here. So you have to kind of pick it up and move it back and then pull it forward. There you go. Filter doesn't look too bad. So this is a breather port from the crankcase. There's a little slight film of oil. So what I'm going to do is take a look at this butterfly assembly here when I hit on. Okay, I got it to crank over by closing the second port here. The very bottom port, it's got 14.0 on it. I closed that to choke it since this one was already choked, and it tried to crank. Let me try it again. The engine's warm now, so I'm just gonna see if I can get this oil to fall off in this. Well, maybe it's not warm enough. We'll let it drain here. Okay, all the oil change is done, spark plugs gapped, everything's done. And the problem I was having was the regulator, the gas regulator. And I'm not talking about this one. This one on top of the tank. I checked it. I can't remember what it was at, 20 ounces or so. Nor was it this one. But where this line leads right here, there's a little drip leg there. That right there goes into an internal regulator that's inside the chassis. You can just see it there. There's a solenoid on it. That's what it was. So whenever we tried to start it, the pressure would fall to 0 for a second or two and then catch back up. So that's why when you choked it, it could keep running. So that was what it was. This is a done deal. Camera girl is over there hanging a sign. Wants to hang a sign on the sawmill. So let's go see what she's doing. We're gonna level it one more time. Yeah, when I bought this, I debated on getting aluminum, but I was working on the house. I thought, well, this is electrically sound, right? I can't get electrocuted on it. Another project completed here on the T Ranch and Sawmill. All our groceries in the freezer are now good. We're gonna live through this virus. Y'all have a blessed and safe day, and we'll catch you on the next one.